I'm trying to eat my breakfast, but I'm suddenly being serenaded. Look, they're getting so confident with me. They'll come and hang out. They'll on the bottom of the cage. And I've got Marlin singing his head off up here. I've actually had Lime crawling all over the bars here. They seem quite happy to hang out near me now. Hey, boys. Hey, boys. Good boy. Oh, they might be wanting to know where their new toy is. I did promise them a new toy. So, hello, boys. Look, he's coming to see Mommy. Oh, my goodness me. I've got Marlin up here. I had Lemon Lime landed on the bowl. I'm so happy. Hi, boys. Oh. Hi, Marlin, who's a handsome boy. Yes, you are. Beautiful. Yeah, and Steve. Look, Steve's come out. Hi, Steve. Lemon's saying, come on, Mum, what are we going to play today? You going to clean us out straight away? There you go. There's Lime at the top having a little nibble. So they're all very close to me now. It's working. 5 weeks in. But I haven't managed to train them yet. They'll get there. I know they will, because they're responding to my voice in the morning. When I say, good morning, boys, I hear all the feathers ruffle. And I'm not quite sure which one it is yet, but there's one of them that responds. But they're covered up, so. Hello, Lime. Who's beautiful boy? How are you doing, Marlin? You okay? You don't mind being a pin-up? There's Lime on the platform. Steve and Lemon. Very happy. They're all so active. Can't wait to get the netting up and the extra thick. Oh, a couple of them float. Oh, but you see, they're not even flying around the room anymore. They're just coming close to me. Hey, cuties. Let's see what adventures we can get up to today. Yeah? We'll see what adventures we come up to today. Yeah? Out and back again.